Supernovae are among the most powerful events in the universe, releasing an enormous amount of energy and material into their surroundings. In this video, we will take a closer look at what causes supernovae, the different types of supernovae, and the impact they have on the surrounding environment. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn about these incredible phenomena. Supernovae are incredibly powerful explosions that occur when a star runs out of fuel and collapses. There are several different types of supernova, each with their own unique characteristics. The first type of supernova is type Ia. These supernovae occur in binary systems, where one star is a white dwarf and the other is a companion star. The white dwarf steals material from the companion star, building up a layer of hydrogen and helium on its surface. Once this layer becomes thick enough, it triggers a thermonuclear explosion, causing the white dwarf to completely disintegrate. The second type of supernova is type II. These supernovae occur in single, massive stars that have exhausted all of their fuel. Once the star runs out of fuel, it can no longer generate the heat and pressure needed to balance out the force of gravity. As a result, the star collapses under its own weight, leading to a massive explosion that can outshine an entire galaxy for weeks. The third type of supernova is type Ib and type Ic. These supernovae are similar to type II supernova, but they have some key differences. Type Ib supernova occur in stars that have lost their outer layers of hydrogen, while type Ic supernova occur in stars that have lost both their outer layers of hydrogen and helium. These supernovae are thought to be caused by the collapse of the core of the star. So what causes a supernova? Supernovae are among the most powerful explosions in the universe, releasing more energy in a single event than our Sun will in its entire lifetime. Understanding the causes of supernova can help us learn more about the life cycle of stars and the universe. The first cause of a supernova is the collapse of a massive star. When a star has exhausted all of its fuel, it can no longer generate the heat and pressure needed to balance out the force of gravity. As a result, the star collapses under its own weight, leading to a massive explosion known as a type II supernova. The second cause of supernova is the explosion of a white dwarf. White dwarfs are the remnant cores of stars that have exhausted all of their fuel. They are incredibly dense and are supported by the pressure of electrons, which can become unstable if the white dwarf is part of a binary system and accretes matter from its companion star. This matter can trigger a thermonuclear explosion, causing the white dwarf to completely disintegrate and resulting in a type Ia supernova. Another cause of supernova is the merging of two white dwarfs. When two white dwarfs orbit each other closely, they will eventually collide and merge. The collision can cause a thermonuclear explosion, resulting in a type Ia supernova. The impact of a supernova on the surrounding environment can be both destructive and creative. One of the most significant impacts of a supernova is the production of heavy elements. During a supernova, the intense heat and pressure cause atoms to fuse together, forming heavier elements such as carbon, oxygen, and even gold and silver. These heavy elements are then scattered into space, and can be incorporated into new stars and planets, including our own solar system. Another impact of a supernova is the effect on nearby planets and life forms. A supernova that occurs within a certain distance from a planet can have devastating effects on any life forms that may exist there. The intense radiation and shockwaves can strip away the planet's atmosphere and sterilize its surface. On the other hand, supernovae that occur farther away can have a positive impact on the surrounding environment. For example, the explosion can trigger the formation of new stars and planets, and the heavy elements produced by the supernova can eventually lead to the formation of life on other planets. Supernovae also play a role in shaping the structure of galaxies by blowing away the gas and dust, and creating a bubble of hot gas that can inhibit the formation of new stars and eventually stop the star formation in the galaxy. In conclusion, supernovae are incredibly powerful and mysterious phenomena that come in different types. We've discussed how the collapse of a massive star, or the explosion of a white dwarf, can lead to a supernova, and the different types of supernovae. We also talked about the impact of supernovae on the surrounding environment, how they produce heavy elements and how they can have both positive and negative effects on nearby planets and life forms. Understanding the different types of supernovae and their impact can help us learn more about the life cycle of stars and the universe. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on all things space.